It's a pivotal moment in Kerala's history as the Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala, Shri Pinarayi Vijayan, inaugurates the Invest Kerala Global Summit 2025, where we showcase our state's vibrant investment climate underpinned by strategic advantages. Kerala is proud to have the presence of this stellar array of dignitaries from across the globe to partake in this moment as Kerala makes huge strides in its journey towards being an exciting investment destination for individuals and organizations across the world. And on that note, I invite the Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala for his inaugural address.
ചടങ്ങുകൾ തുടരുകയാണ്. മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിയുടെ ഉദ്ഘാടന പ്രസംഗത്തിലേക്ക് ഭദ്രദീപം കൊളുത്തി ഉദ്ഘാടനം ചെയ്തതിനു ശേഷം മുഖ്യമന്ത്രി ഇൻവെസ്റ്റ് കേരള ഗ്ലോബൽ സമ്മിറ്റിന് തുടക്കമാവുന്നു. കൊച്ചിയിൽ വ്യവസായ പ്രമുഖന്മാരെയും 26 രാജ്യങ്ങളിലെ നയതന്ത്ര പ്രതിനിധികളെയും സാക്ഷി നിർത്തി ഇൻവെസ്റ്റ് കേരള ഗ്ലോബൽ സമ്മിറ്റിന് തുടക്കമാവുകയാണ്.
Distinguished guests on and off the dais, I am extremely happy to be part of this meet and deliver this address before this August gathering. At the outset, let me thank all guests who are here for having spared valuable time out of their busy schedule to be part of this meet. This shows the interest you have in Kerala's development. Kerala is a state renowned for its natural beauty and has been an attraction for tourists from within the country and abroad. We have a strong indigenous medical system, Ayurveda, which too has attracted people from all over the world. We preserve these natural advantages with the responsibility we owe to the nature and knowledge and venture into sunrise areas in our quest to build a knowledge society. Kerala's investment scenario is in the cusp of history. We are witnessing progress and change for the better in our investment arena. It is at this juncture that this summit is taking place, bringing together global investors, visionaries in the field, experts and policy makers, aiming to explore the investment potential of Kerala and witness our initiatives towards building an investor-friendly architecture in the state. The changes we have brought about now are not incremental but substantial. Kerala, the state which has become a noteworthy example of achieving a high score of in human development indicators, is now taking a leap towards achieving the status of an investment hub. The government here considers that it has a great role to play as a facilitator and a catalyst. We have taken a holistic view and are paying equal attention to all matters from policy formulation to the last mile implementation. We have ensured that no investor coming to Kerala will have to face the cobweb of procedural delays and meet the barriers of red tape. We have made major strides in simplifying procedures as regards investments. One example is the Kerala Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises Facilitation Act 2019, under which MSMEs can start by obtaining acknowledgement certificate from the online K-Swift portal. Nursery licenses need to be obtained within a period of next 3 years and 6 months. Another is the report of the External Committee on Legislative Reforms, which has recommended decriminalization of 38 provisions in various existing acts and amendments to 12 acts and 12 rules pertaining to 13 departments. Some of these recommendations have been implemented and others are under the active consideration of the state government. Apart from untying the Gordian's knot of complex laws and procedures, Government of Kerala has shown the will to undertake the task of bridging the infrastructural deficit as it realizes that high quality infrastructure is the necessary condition for investments to come to the state. Developing transport infrastructure has been accorded a pride of place. The state, despite its physical constraints, has contributed 25% of the cost for land acquisition for widening of National Highway 66 and taking all steps to get approvals of the Union Government for railway development necessary for running high-speed trains. Government of Kerala gives importance not only to the development of national highways but also all roads within the state. Good travel-worthy roads will cut down travel time for people who have to frequently travel on business trips. Our state has 4 airports with good facilities, and the state is taking every possible initiative to make destinations in Kerala more connected with global centers.